Hi friends, this video shows how to install Amazon Prime Video app in Kids Profile. Go to top left corner, set switch accounts. Let me switch to Kids Profile Kit 2. And here go to top left corner, select settings, enter profile password. Go down, set manage apps. Here you can see list of kids apps from Google Play. Go down, here you can see list of apps that are already installed in this device. I already installed Amazon Prime Video app in this device in parent profile. You can see the Prime Video app here. Set it, select allow. Done. So this way we can install Prime Video app in kids profile. Let me verify. Go to home screen. See, here you can see the icon of Prime Video app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.